Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you a couple things that do fit in it so that you can get an idea for size-wise, and then we'll wrap this up with some mod shots and of course outtakes, because those are my favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content. Hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Seriously guys, hit the subscribe button. Like, it's super easy. It's right there. I see you guys not subscribing but watching. Like, just hit the button. It's fine. It's cool. We're good. We're good. Check it out. Let me show you a couple things that do fit in it so that you can get an idea for size-wise, and then we'll wrap this up with some mod shots and of course outtakes, because those are my favorite. Okay, in front of me I have a whole bunch of random items. I'm actually just gonna hold the purse up. Let me take the strap off. I'll just hold the purse up and show you what fits and what doesn't. We'll start with kind of the biggest and most obvious that it's not gonna fit is the Rough and Tumble cash pack. It doesn't quite fit. It's a little bit too long, too wide, whatever you want to call that. So it doesn't quite fit in there, and I don't really want to scratch up that leather, though that leather wears so well. If you haven't checked out Rough and Tumble, I'll link it down below. Next up, let's try the zippy compact wallet. This is actually what I'm carrying right now, and that also doesn't quite fit in there. You can see it doesn't quite fit. That's okay, because next is we have the Victorine wallet, and I think this fits no problem, as you can see. Let's say I don't carry the Victorine wallet, but you know that fits. I can carry the card holder, my card holder. I can put my key case in there, my 6-key ring holder. That's down in there. I know it's hard to see. It even fits standing up, even with my key in it. If I wanted to like fit another card holder in it, that fits down in there just fine. Here in the back, and then my card holder there, and my key holder there. And it does still zip with the key standing straight up. This is the card case from Rough and Tumble. That also fits in there, like just barely. But it does fit, and right now I just have like lip gloss and stuff in there, so I probably wouldn't even carry that in there. I just want to give you a size reference. You can also fit the, of course, the key pouch also fits in there. So again, I know this is really hard to see. Let me move this light. There you go. So there you have my zipped card holder, my card holder there. I have my key pouch there. Sorry, it's my zip card holder, my key pouch, and then that holder, and then my 6-key holder. Let me flip that around to the side, see if you can see everything fitting in there better. There you go. This thing, like, this holds a ton. Can you see that? I hope you can see that real well. And then I can even still fit, if I didn't have that card case in there that was holding all of those chapsticks, I could even fit my Christian Dior and my AirPods, which y'all know I don't go anywhere without, right there in the top. And it still zips. Kind of a tight zip, but it zips. That holds a lot. If I was taking anything out, it would be that card case by Rough and Tumble, because that's, you know, carrying chapsticks, and I don't need to carry 4 chapsticks around, especially if you're trying to downsize it. But this thing holds a ton. I'm trying to like rearrange it so you can see everything better now that I took that out. So it's holding the zip card case, my key pouch, my card holder, my key ring, my 6-key ring. Gosh, that's so hard to see. I'm sorry, because it's so dark. And then also a chapstick, or my lip gloss, and my AirPods down under my AirPod Pros. I will link all of those things as best I can through Fashionphile or Amazon or wherever I can find it so that you can see those. But this is a little keeper. This is really, really cute. I am so excited to have it. Of course, my like pocket organizer and stuff would fit in it. If I do another whole video on it, I'll show you guys what all fits. But thank you guys for tuning in. I'll talk to you next time. Bye. think I actually am gonna really enjoy this for the summer, but it's carrying chapsticks and stuff in. I'll go over the small. Don't forget to like. And then let's say, why can't I think of that?